This elephant can't sneeze. This is Ellie the elephant. She's smart and kind and loves to splash in the river, but she can't sneeze. All the other elephants could sneeze really loud, ah-h-chew, but Ellie, not even a sniffle. One day, Ellie was hanging out with her best friend, Momo the monkey. "I wish I could sneeze," Ellie said. "Maybe you just need some help," said Momo. So they tried a bunch of things. They tried pepper. They tried tickling her trunk with a feather. They tried sniffing flowers. All the while, Ellie just giggled. But then suddenly a bee landed on Ellie's trunk. "Oh," said Momo, and then Ellie did the biggest sneeze the jungle had ever seen. A-H-H, A-H-H-H-H, A-H-H-H-H-H-chew. Leaves flew everywhere. Birds flapped their wings and covered their ears. And Momo got launched into a banana tree. From that day on, Ellie was the jungle's official sneezer. And no bee ever landed on her trunk again. The end.